Arts Workfly.
Hi guys, so it's day 4 of Arts Weekly. No, 2:14. I just got the time to myself, so I'm almost at the end of the day. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to work on the paintings that I have behind me, and I'm going to show you the process. Alright, so I'm going to show you where I'm at now. So that one there is what I'm going to work on. I've completed this one, this one, this one, and this one. I will not get the time to do much details in the other 4 because there's no time. So I'm going to start now. So guys, it's now 3:38 and this is where I'm at. I completed this one, that and that.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so it's now 4 o'clock and this is where I'm at. And the reason why you're not seeing me on camera is because my camera not holding its charge. So it needs a longer time to charge. So I can't wait on it to charge to start painting. So that is why you're not seeing me painting the works. Alright, so I'm going to get this camera charged and come back. It is now 4:34. I didn't like the color of the hibiscus, so I had to change it. I think I might be able to finish it today like I wanted, so I'm just going to continue and see what I can do. Okay guys, so it's now 5:24 and I just completed a leaf. I have this one to do and this one here. I have more green left, so might as well I go ahead and use up the green before I go. holding the camera, so I am going to put the camera down and show you guys when I'm finished with this section and that section. The art room is now closed up. It's the end of the first Arts Weekly. This is what I have accomplished in 3 days. I will see you guys on Monday for the final reveal, where I remove the tape and mount the pieces. So I'll see you guys on Monday for Arts Weekly. Thank you for watching. It is now 6:27 and I'm just leaving. Life. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.